You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting word, a bit confusing, once and for all, correctly. Let's break it down in English. Authoritarianism. Wow, I get confused with this one. Authoritarianism. Authoritarianism is how you pronounce it. Okay. Authoritarianism. The stress is on the second syllable. Let's hear it twice more. Authoritarianism. 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 And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.